Okay, so these are all new swarms caught at the sunflowers. I have to change that. That's going to change. So you can see I've closed one side of the entrance, reduced the other side because they're not very big. 4 frames, 5 frames. I want to give them a chance for the winter. So there they are. 21 of them. Some are bigger, some are smaller. You can see there's a lot of activity on that one. And then obviously 21 swarms boxes at one site doesn't work usually if there's no much food, especially this time of the year. So I'm giving them a chance. The feeding station. So I will come and refill this feeding station once a week or so. There are reasons to why you shouldn't be feeding too much or feeding too less. It should be just enough. Yeah. So these things I always help my clients with. So I just put the leftovers here in the lid. I'm going to close this. And so this is going to dry out this lid. I'm closing this so that they don't sting each other. So the entrances are reduced there. And then that prevents them from stinging each other. So yeah. So we'll keep these there. Give them a boost. I would say 6 weeks, 2 cycles. And then they're ready. 2 cycles.